This is how to connect 5 pipes together without a flat 5-way connector. This is a world-class problem that the old plumbing teacher gave to his 3 apprentices. The eldest apprentice took out a 4-way connector and drew for a long time, but he failed in the end. The second apprentice thought his senior brother was stupid. A 4-way connector obviously wouldn't work, so he took out a 3-way connector and drew, but he was also clueless. He didn't give up. He took out 2 elbows and fiddled with them. The result was as expected, and within expectations, there was always one pipe that couldn't be connected. He was so angry that he threw the elbows and the 3-way connector on the ground. The youngest apprentice smiled slightly. He picked up the elbows and the 3-way connector from the ground and told his 2 senior brothers to watch carefully. He first drew a slanted outline at the corner of the elbow, then he used a hand saw to cut along the line. He cut out a slanted notch at the corner of the elbow, making it from a 2-way to a 3-way. Then he drew a rectangular outline on another 3-way connector and used a file to fix the outline part. After drilling a hole in the middle, he used sandpaper to smooth the notch part to make it easier to connect later. After smoothing, he could put the elbow and the 3-way connector together to form a flat 5-way connector. It turned out that as long as the mind doesn't slip, there are always more ways than difficulties. Then he used glue and foam together to fix their connection. Then he brushed glue inside and put it on the pipe to test the connection effect. After testing, the effect was quite ideal. At this point, the youngest apprentice gave a perfect answer to the teacher's test question. So for this question, if you were the teacher, how many points would you give him?